All right, for problem number 2 here, my directions tell me to evaluate. That just means find the value. And so I have 0 and 3/100 raised to the third power. That means I use this number as the base 3 times. I'll multiply 0.03 times itself 3 times. So 0.03 times 0.03. Now I don't care about those decimals at all when I'm doing a multiplication problem. I could just ignore them. So really all I have to do here is 3 times 3. It's 9. But now I care about where the decimals are. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots behind the decimal point. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 spots behind the decimal point in my answer. And I'm going to fill in those empty spaces, of course, with zeros. So my answer to 3/100 times 3/100 is 9.0009. All right, so I'm going to take that 0.0009, which is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. That's 9 10,000ths. And I'm going to multiply that by 0.03. Again, I really don't care about this decimal and these zeros until I'm done multiplying. So 9 times 3 is 27. Now I need to know I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers behind the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All those empty spaces, those 4 empty spaces, need to get filled in with zeros. And so my final answer then is 0.000027. Okay. All right, next problem then, number 3. I am going to use my order of operations to solve this problem. So order of operations is PEMDAS. And PEMDAS tells me to do my parentheses first. So here are my parentheses, 1 and 2 tenths plus 0 and 5 tenths, which is 1 and 7 tenths. And then I'm going to do my exponent. So I've got to raise that to the second power. That means I do 1 and 7 tenths times 1 and 7 tenths. I use 1 and 7 tenths as a base 2 times. I don't care about these decimals right now. It's just like 17 times 17. So 7 times 7 is 49. Put down my 9, carry my 4. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 more is 11. Put down a 0 placeholder because I'm moving over a digit. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Add these up, 9, 8, 2. And I need 2 places behind the decimal point in the problem, so I have 2 spaces behind the decimal point in the answer. All right, so my answer to this part of the problem is 2 and 89/100. I still need to multiply by 1.5. 2 and 89/100 times 1 and 5 tenths. Again, I don't care about those decimals right now. It's like 289 times 15. 5 times 9 is 45. Put down my 5, carry my 4. 5 times 8 is 40, plus this 4 is 44. Put down my 4, carry my 4. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. 0, because I'm moving over a space, 9, 8, 2. Make that look like an 8. Then we add 5, 13, 8, 13, 2, 3, 4. Now we place the decimal point. 1, 2, 3 spaces behind the decimal point in the problem. 1, 2, 3 spaces behind the decimal point in the answer. So my overall answer after I've done all of these operations is 4 and 335 thousandths. Alrighty, that's problems 2 and 3 on your quiz, your practice quiz.